March has come with gentle breeze and skies so blue. Flowers blooming bright, the world feels fresh and new. Xiaobao mama watches over her three boys with care. Bibi leads the zoomies, Cheatsy leaps into the air. Diddy naps in sunbeams, dreaming sweet and deep. Together they make magic in this March so sweet. And by the window softly in the golden light, Bread Papa stays beside his little Fifi bride. Their quiet bond so tender, tales entwined with love. This family's perfect circle, sent from up above. 6 hearts purring strong in this beautiful March. Health and happiness glowing like a torch. Xiaobo, Bread, Bibi, Tsixi, Diddy, Fifi. May joy surround you every single day we see. Healthy paws, happy hearts, laughter in the air. March brings new beginnings, love is everywhere. Morning cuddles, evening snuggles, playtime in between. March winds whisper secrets only cats have seen. Mom and sons go adventuring, chasing rays of sun. Dad and daughter share the quiet moments, one by one. 6 little lives so precious, woven tight as one. Our big warm family under March's smiling sun. No matter what this month may bring, of rain or shining hours, your purrs remind us daily of the greatest superpowers. Love that never falters, trust that always stays. 6 furry angels lighting up our every day. 6 hearts purring strong through every March delight. From morning until night. Xiaobao, Bread, Bibi, Tsixi, Diddy, Fifi, dear. Stay happy, healthy, loved, year after year. March is here to bless you with sunshine in your soul. Our perfect family, forever happy, healthy, whole.